Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Lexus HS. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 35 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include navigation package, heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.